Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Today we're going to study what prime numbers are. Let's review natural numbers and whole numbers first. How do you count naturally? We count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. What about whole numbers? Whole numbers start with 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the only difference between natural numbers and whole numbers is 0. Now let's look at the definition of prime numbers. A popular definition is that prime numbers can be only divided by 1 in itself. This definition is alright, but not good enough, because this definition confuses you for the number 1. We will explain it on the next slide. So what is the correct definition? Prime numbers are natural numbers which can be divided by exactly 2 natural numbers. We will see some of numbers individually. Let's see which natural numbers are prime numbers. We want to show how many natural numbers can divide each number. First of all, 1. 1 can be only expressed as 1 times 1. So 1 can only be divided by one natural number, which means that 1 is not a prime number. Many people confuse about the number 1. If you see the popular definition, 1 can be only divided by 1 in itself, so it should be a prime number. But no, 1 is not a prime number. Let's move on to the next number, 2. 2 can be only expressed as 1 times 2. So 2 can only be divided by 2 natural numbers, 1 and 2, which means that 2 is a prime number. The next number, 3. 3 can be only expressed as 1 times 3. So 3 can be only divided by 2 natural numbers, 1 and 3, which means that 3 is a prime number. The next number, 4. 4 can be expressed as 1 times 4 or 2 times 2. So 4 can be divided by 3 natural numbers, 1, 2, and 4, which means that 4 is not a prime number. The next number, 5. 5 can be only expressed as 1 times 5. So 5 can be only divided by 2 natural numbers, 1 and 5, which means that 5 is a prime number. The next number, 6. 6 can be expressed as 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. So 6 can be divided by 4 natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, and 6, which means that 6 is not a prime number. We will look at how many prime numbers are there from 1 to 100 in the next slide. Now let's check prime numbers from 1 to 100. We know that 1 is not a prime number. 2 is a prime number. But other even numbers are not prime numbers because even numbers are multiples of 2. 3 is a prime number, but other multiples of 3 are not prime. 5 is a prime number, but other multiples of 5 are not prime. 7 is a prime number, but other multiples of 7 are not prime. The next prime number is 11, but other multiples of 11 up to 100 are already erased. In a similar way, the next prime number is 13, but other multiples of 13 up to 100 are already erased. So whatever left are the prime numbers up to 100, which are 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. There are 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. Let's summarize today's lesson. Prime numbers are natural numbers which can be only divided by two natural numbers. Examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. 1 is not a prime number. 2 is the only even and smallest prime number. Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Please subscribe if you'd like to join our Inspire Math tutoring community. There are some related videos linked below. Thank you and have a good one.